I know how to make quite a few tasty snacks. Hello, do you need my help in making some snacks?
Hello, I would like to buy many tasty snacks.
No problem, I'll make it for you right now. There are so many snacks. What should we start making? Jelly. A fruit-flavored jelly is going to be so tasty. Gelatin. Rock sugar. Choose a few pretty cups to hold your jelly in. Please unlock this to access. Please unlock this to access. Add some yummy fruits. Cover the jelly. Wow, the snack is ready for eating.
This is for you.
Thank you. Bye. Wow, new ingredients. Now we can make even more tasty snacks.